As we learn how to live with COVID, more and more people decide it is time to start moving around. We love our holidays, we love to travel, and we love visiting new places. But travel doesn't always go as planned. Therefore, you need to prepare in advance. Take precautions so you do not suffer any financial losses when things go wrong. In this video, I'm not going to be comparing any particular policies or any particular products, but rather give you an indication as to the cover you should consider as your financial security when you are creating your travel plans. Then you can do your due diligence and compare which products suit your needs best. My name is Katherine Isbrandt from About Retirement. I'm a certified financial planner and you are watching About Retirement TV, the place where you can find all the information you need when preparing for retirement or if you have already retired. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Saint Augustine. Well, I don't know about you, but I sure love to travel. As a child, my mom used to call me a little gypsy, as I used to be such a free-spirited child wanting to see the whole world and discover new places, new people that live in different parts of the world. Well, my spirit is still there, but now with being a little bit older and wiser, with some life experience, I know very well that spontaneous travel sounds great, but may not end up so well. As we get older, we have so much more to lose. Hence, I am not willing to risk the life I've built over the years if I can protect it, and that also includes my travels. You can get your travel insurance in two ways. Number one, purchase a travel insurance policy from a specialized travel insurance provider. Please compare companies and what their travel insurance covers, as there are big differences not just with premiums payable, but with benefits covered within each policy. And number two, use your insurance cover provided by your credit card provider, if it is included in your product. Some more expensive comprehensive credit cards come with built-in travel insurance, providing that you pay for all your travel with that particular card. But please check all the details before deciding that such cover is sufficient for you and your family. Then there are companies that specialize in international travel insurance or domestic travel insurance. If you are not sure, just speak with your travel agents. The parts of travel insurance you need to pay attention to are: number one, medical cover; number two, cover for your personal effects; number three, travel disruption; number four, car hire cover; and number five, life insurance and disability cover. So let's discuss them one by one. Number one, by far the most important part of your travel protection is medical cover. Insurance for your health and cover for all medical expenses, especially when you travel overseas. Most countries won't give you free care, and healthcare costs overseas can be very expensive. Your policy should provide benefits such as medical emergency treatment and emergency assistance, general medical assistance and cover for medical bills, transport to hospital by helicopter or ambulance, medical evacuation back to Australia if needed, cover for injuries and accidents unless the injury is from an excluded activity. An example of an excluded activity could be a broken bone that most policies would normally cover. However, if you break your leg skiing and your cover specifically excludes skiing, well, you won't be covered. And please be aware that most insurance policies will not cover you at all if you decide to visit a country with do not travel warning. So be aware of travel alerts if you consider countries with medical or political issues and then change your travel plans as needed. Also be aware that some policies might exclude your pre-existing medical conditions. So if you have, for example, a heart issue, you either have to find a policy that does not exclude such condition or pay extra to have your condition included in your policy if possible. Number 2, cover for your belongings and your valuables. This is the cover for your items that could get lost, stolen, or damaged during your travel. Some insurance companies will help you organize a replacement during your travel. So, what items can be covered by a policy? For example, electronic devices such as smartphones, computers, cameras. If you wish to cover those items above the specified policy limits, then often you can increase the cover and pay additional premium. Your luggage and your personal property. Cash, but usually a very small amount, can be covered. Sports equipment. This could be an additional cover. So if I, for example, go abroad for my hiking equipment will have an additional cover if needed. Number 3, travel disruption cover. If your plane is late and you missed the connection, or you get sick and a new travel arrangement is needed to be put in place, your policy should cover any additional costs suffered. Number 4, car hire. Please be aware that your own car insurance does not cover any car hire when you travel. Car hire companies usually have 2 versions of rental agreement, with no protection and with a full protection. And it is charged based on number of days you hire the car. The difference in price is quite staggering. Often the full protection is an extra charge of 100% or more of the base premium. But did you know that often that extra protection charged by hire companies, specifically the rental vehicle excess, is what you can have included in your travel insurance at a much, much lower premium. So please compare those policies and see what is included in your travel insurance contract. You might be surprised that you do not have to pay those high charges from car hire companies, as the cover could automatically be included in your travel insurance contract. Number 5, life insurance and disability cover. This could be included in your travel insurance contract. Usually it is a standard level of cover and not subject to increase or decrease. But if it is an important cover for you to have, then make sure you find the right contract that automatically provides death and disability cover for you within the policy. Otherwise, make sure that you buy life insurance or disability cover directly from the life insurance company. So enjoy your travel, but for added peace of mind, make sure that you have included an appropriate cover within your travel insurance plans and you have allowed for cost of your travel insurance as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel not to miss my next video. And please visit my website aboutretirement.com.au to get all the information you need for your upcoming retirement or for your existing retirement if you're already there. And while visiting my website, why not sign up to our newsletter so you will never ever miss any news that can change your retirement. And since we are talking about travel today, have a look at this video, age pension and travel overseas, to make sure that you follow all the rules. Some people travel overseas and never come back home to Australia. Watch this video, Retirement Overseas and Age Pension. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.